Hi. I really do sneeze actually. Today I was out for school because I didn't feel good this morning. Everyone's been sick this week. After you guys, I was the last one sick. And then I started to get better and then I got sick again. Yesterday, my head was just throbbing. My eyes were watery. My nose was getting stuffed up. My nose was not getting stuffed up last time. So this is Austin. This is my brother. He's like 5 years older than me, and I'm kidding. I'm actually older than him, but like a lot of people say that he's my older brother because he's taller than me. But yeah, this is Austin.
Most people don't really like. Most people think that we're not brother and sister because we don't look alike.
I think with the glasses right now, we look alike.
Actually, we do look alike.
In middle school, my parents would drop us off and my friends would be like, so who's that guy you're talking to? I'm like, it's my brother. And they're like, oh, I thought that was your new boyfriend. I'm like,
They're like, he's fine.
No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
We are going to play da 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 da.
Well, right now we can just ask questions that we didn't know about each other. Like, I don't know, you come up with a question that you've always wanted to ask.
What was your worst injury?
My worst injury that I can remember? I've had a lot, actually. The only one I could think of is my thumb. I was about like 3 or 4 years old. And I was having a little fit attitude. And my dad sent me to the room, so I went to the room, and there was this stick that was holding up the window because we had no air conditioner. And I was looking out the window and I saw the stick, so I decided to give it a little tap, not knowing, I think I'm gonna say it's this thumb, not knowing that my hand is on the window. So my thumb is on there and it closes and it closes on my thumb. And I'm banging on the window with my other hand, telling my mom that the window landed on my thumb. It hurt though. Not that I can remember because I can't, but I'm pretty sure it hurt because I still remember how bad I was crying. So, memories. What is the biggest lie you've ever told me? I'm worried.
Well, there's this. Okay, so it's your singing.
My singing!
Hear me out! Hear me out on this.
I posted my singing on Instagram before.
Hear me out on this. You're not letting me finish. I'm finished. No, I'm playing. No. You know, like all those times when I said, oh, that's bad.
It's worse than bad.
No, it's not like,
I need to work on it.
yeah, it's good, but you still need to work just a little bit. Like a little bit. A little bit.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Well, this is Austin, which is a year younger than me. And this is Joshua. He is 6 years younger than me. He has a really good relationship with this one. And he has a good relationship with me.
Heck.
But, I drove him to school this morning. Somebody was mad this morning, but now he's like super happy to see me, right?
Well, I mean, I guess. I mean, yeah, you. And also something else. But...
I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, so I don't feel good today, so I'm gonna get some rest. My parents are coming a little bit, so I will see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and give me a comment. Right now we're headed to Arlington to meet up with the family. We are headed to a restaurant called Mercado Juarez.
Mercado.
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 Like this, you know?
Mercado. I'm really excited. I'll just show you what it's called because I can't say it.
No, you can't.
So I think how it is called Mercado Juarez. So yeah, okay, sounds about right.
Suarez?
Sounds about right.
How?
No, it doesn't sound right at all.
It doesn't sound right at all.
What is?
Mercado
J.
Juarez. Mercado Juarez. Yeah, there you go. Mercado Juarez. We are here.
Dude, she's always up.
So, turn this way. Oh my gosh, it looks so big. Yeah, I like it. So we have like a party of 22. That's like a lot of people. It's like a whole big family. This is a party of 22. 33B.
What did you call me? What is that? Hi.
What's up with the face? What? Why? It's just food. Look at Josh's food. Like, for real. So, I am full. I think everybody is.
You said your name?
I heard my name too. I was just like, I'm leaving, but it was really good. So.
Pineapple juice and...
Hi. So we just made it back, and I am so full. Hi. So I had a great time with my family, and the food I got was 2 tacos, beans and rice. I finished the beans and rice, but I did not finish the taco. I think I only ate 1. I love the weather today. Like, no joke, it's like perfect weather. Like, the sun is hitting right now, and the wind is blowing, and I just love it. This thing is so bad. Look at that. But it's okay. I'll go away. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys subscribe, like this video, and I hope you guys comment. And I would love to continue doing more. If you're wanting for me to do a, I guess a Q&A, or if you want me to do something next video, let me know in the comments. This is Harley Quinn for you, and bye!